Hi Beauty Squad, welcome to Amish Beauties Creators channel. So today guys, I decided to do the 5 minutes simple makeup for you guys in case if you are rushing to the meeting or to school and you don't want to spend your 20 minutes creating a look. So this video is for you, so stay tuned to the next video. Okay guys, I decided to take this LA Girl concealer. This is what I will be using to highlight under my eyes and my forehead and bridge of my nose and my chin instead of using the foundation. So that's what I decided to use because I don't have enough time to start to look flawless with the foundation. Now I'm taking this foundation, a dark shade, which is I will be using to contour my face. I'm using it as a cream contour because I don't want to waste this foundation, so I rather use it for contouring my face instead of just throwing it away because it's very dark for my skin. And now I'm taking a damp beauty sponge to blend all my face instead of using a brush because guys, I love to blend my face with a sponge because it blends very well. And I noticed that I have applied too much concealer, but we will work it out. I will start using a powder that is big, that is bit dark, so it will help to take all this whiteness off the concealer. I know guys, I look ashy, so please don't come for me. The girl, she just want to look flawless. I will fix this guys, so don't you worry. Make sure you blend and blend and blend and blend because blending is the key. So now I'm taking the Yardley in the shade Caramelize. This is what I will be using to dim that lightening under my eyes. As you can see guys, the shade it's a bit dark, but it's helping me to reduce all this whiteness. Now I'm taking the Contour and Palette Sculpt, which is I will use as the contour. So I'm taking this darker shade and now I'm blending, I'm contouring my nose with a small brush. Now I'm taking that lighter orange brownish color. I'm going to blend, I'm going to use it on my crease. Just sweep it off my crease just like this. We don't want a clear eyes even if we want to still look flawless. So now I'm taking this gel liner. I'm going to line my top lashes just very close guys, as you can see the way I'm doing it. Just very close to my lashes, and I'm going to take it down to the lower lash just to smoke it out. Now I'm using the mascara. So now I'm taking a lighter color just to put it into my inner eyes. Tear dot, if that's the right word. Yeah. Taking a little blush just to put some color into my face. And now I'm taking the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Chocolate. So I'm using this liner to line my lip to prepare them as I'm going to apply a lipstick, so that I won't go over the lip with the lipstick that I will be applying. So guys, in case if you don't know the need of a lip liner, now I'm highlighting my face with the LA Girl Strobe Light, which is, I forgot to show you guys, but everything will be listed on the description box in case if you want to know what product I'm using. Now I'm taking that Usha's lipsticks. I'm taking the brownish and the pinkish. I will mix them together. And with this cream lipstick, guys, I like to use a flat brush. Now I'm setting my face. This is my final look, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.